What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I am just going to give you a quick hit of this little device. This is a counterweight. This is by TourLock Pro. I've actually used the TourLock Pros before, and they are standard sizes. They go into the butt end or the club end of your golf club, but this one is a little different, and I couldn't find the specs for it, so I wanted to share them with you on this video here. First of all, we get a little drill bit. I've noticed that anytime you order officially from them, you get this little drill bit, and this will basically go into any cordless drill that you have. And then on this end, we have a little cutting edge, and it will cut a hole in the butt end of your club so that you can slide the TourLock Pro weight in. Now, this one is interesting because this is a slim TourLock, and this is the longest one they have. This is 80 grams. This is as heavy as they come, and you can get them in lower weights and lighter weights, I should say, and they will be just the same thing but shorter. But what I didn't see here is the outer diameter of this portion, not this portion, although I can give that to you too if you really want it. And I think that's important because when you are putting this into a club, you are usually buying this because the club wall thickness, the inner diameter of the club shaft, is a different diameter than standard. So if you're just getting these for your steel shafts, your standard steel shafts, then get the regular size. They work fine. If you're putting this in a driver with a graphite shaft, I've also noticed that the shaft walls on the driver at the butt end are very, very thin, so the standard one works there too. But for me, I'm actually using this in my putter, and I'm actually using a graphite carbon fiber putter shaft that is very, very thick at the butt end, and so I wanted to see if this would work. So first of all, let me give you the outer diameter of the top here. This isn't as relevant because it sits kind of on the outside of the club, on the outside of the grip, and that is 17.6 millimeters. Now, the diameter of this little brass shaft here is 10.6 millimeters, and that should be the same up or down. 10.7, 10.6-ish, I think. So what that means is now you can go ahead and measure the inner diameter of your shaft, right? And assuming that it's 10.6 or 10.7 or larger, then this should work. So that's why I wanted to show it to you, because I wasn't sure if this is going to work in my shaft, and so now I'll measure my shaft to make sure it works before I try to fumble with it and figure out that it's not going in. So just wanted to give you a quick hit on this. If you want to pick this up from TourLock Pro, I'll put a link in the description. Just remember, this is the slim counterweight, and if you want to pick it up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.